Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW. It's the diesel, it's a sport, a lot of extras on it, in lovely conditions, finished in beautiful glacier white. It has just arrived. It's got a diamond cut alloy wheels, but they are going to be refurbished, so it'll be like new. It's got the rear park distance control, 118D, facelift model. And as you can see, really lovely condition. Boot area is all lovely. Got the rear parcel shelf. Back seats in lovely condition. Full electric windows, electric mirrors. 6-speed gearbox, automatic headlights. It's done 94,535 miles. Park distance control, media pack, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity and satellite navigation. Different driving modes: Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort, Eco. It's got an aux and a USB, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and limiter. At DJH, we have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.